Assembling batteries for electric vehicles requires painstaking precision. As EV battery cells are placed on the conveyor, labels are read, verified, and recorded by a Zebra smart camera. When adhesive is applied to the surface of the battery cell, a Zebra 3D sensor validates the amount and placement. After the cells are assembled into stacks, the alignment and position of the tabs and connections are verified by Zebra machine vision software. And finished battery modules are inspected for quality and consistency using traditional and AI-based vision tools. The Zebra machine vision and fixed industrial scanning portfolio offers a broad range of hardware and software products ready to integrate into any production environment. Many of the world's largest automotive manufacturers already count on Zebra technology to maintain their high-quality standards. Find out what Zebra machine vision can do for you.